Using custom fonts in SimLab VR Viewer, by default, SimLab VR Viewer comes with a font that supports many languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, Arabic, and more. But what if you want to add support for a language not included in the default font? Or to use a unique font to personalize your VR experience? You can do this with the Set Font node in the Dynamic Training Builder. Add the font using Resource Manager. Open Resource Manager, use it to add your custom font file, TTF file, to your VR experience. Resource Manager lets you include any file type, image, sound, CSV, font, etc., in your VR package so that it can be accessed during the experience. In this case, we're adding a new font. Create a node-triggered click. Add the Set Scene font node. So select the new font you included using the Resource Manager. When running the VR in SimLab VR Viewer, click the trigger you created. The viewer will instantly switch to the new font.